minute. No. Gonna press this. Oh. Let's see, Magnus. What? An old house right there. We're living there right now.
Are you recording?
Why not? Exactly. Why not?
Because I thought if you're not recording, then everything's ruined. We need you.
What did you say?
Why not?
Stop copying me. My sister's Pro V. Holly plays with Puppy. I don't know why. He's cute anyway, but when he's at home, he's just deep in depression. Doesn't even know because I don't know. He might have break up with Yellow. I don't know. They're just bricks. What are you doing?
They sell.
No, what? Why would I record Puppy though?
Record puppy, like.
Are you sure they want to see a puppy montage?
Yeah.
What?
Look at the puppy monster.
Okay, you're crazy.
Don't jump. Don't jump over the cliff. Don't fall your phone, okay?
That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense.
Record a little puppy that should be black puppy. Whoa. It's a little... There's nothing to record there.